What's going on, guys? This is Mark from Metcon Engine, and today we have a total body engine workout. Okay, so I'm outside today just because it's a beautiful day out. So forgive me for all the background noises, like the birds chirping, right? You got the cars driving, helicopters, planes, and whatnot. So I apologize beforehand, but hopefully you're able to hear me pretty well during this workout. Okay. So again, total body engine workout. Before we begin, some things that you might need. All right. Obviously, we're gonna need some dumbbells. I have a pair of heavy and a pair of light. So if you're able to, have two pairs, break those out. I have my mat behind me, water bottle. All right, and then a sweat towel if you need it. All right, 'cause I sweat a whole lot, so I definitely need it. And but if you need that, feel free to grab that as well. Okay. So before we begin, we have to warm up. So let's go ahead and do it. As always, I like doing jumping jacks to start off. So let's go ahead. Let's get 20 jumping jacks. I'm gonna make sure I don't hit my hands on this fan above me. All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 10, 9. Ooh, that's dangerous. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Yeah, make sure your dumbbells are away from you so don't trip on it. Okay, leg kicks to get the hamstrings warmed up. So, big leg kick, shuffle, and then go opposite. Okay, so nice long reach. Let's get 4 on each side. This is 2. Now we got 2 more coming up. The last one. And the last one right here. Perfect. Okay. Quarter squat. Grab the knee up nice and tall. Get those hips. Switch it up. Quarter squat. Whew. Let's go ahead and get 3 of these. Or 4. Let's get 4. Good. All right, 2 more on each side. So go ahead and just getting in this dynamic stretching warm up to get ourselves ready. All right, grab the heel, grab that ankle, up nice and tall. Switch it up, just holding these for about 3 or 4 seconds, and then switch 4 on each side. This is number 2. Good. 2 more on each side. All right. And then go ahead and grab your last repetition for each leg, and then switch. Perfect. All right. Grab that knee, grab that ankle, up nice and tall. Switch it up for a glute stretch, right? Knee, ankle, nice and tall. This is all I got. On this side, I need to work on that. Good. Let's go ahead. Okay, perfect. Okay, from there, into a lateral squat. So I'm taking a step to my side. I'm just going to sit. All right, sit in that chair. Go this way. Sit in that chair behind me. Okay, and then take a step, and then we'll go opposite. Sit in the chair behind you, making sure my shoulder, hip, knee, ankle, nice straight line. All right, to each side. Let's go opposite. Good. Switch it up. Good. Let's get 1 more on your right, and then 1 more on that left. Nice job. Okay. Into world's greatest stretch. Take a right step back. Spike that right hand to the ground. Left elbow to left ankle. Rotate to that ceiling. All right. Gaze your eyes towards your hands. Drop your hands outside left foot. Hips back. Toes off the ground. Get that hamstring. And relax. Switch it over to the opposite side. Left hand spike. Right elbow to right ankle. Rotate to that ceiling. Drop the hand outside right foot. Hips back. Toes up. Head to that knee, switch it up one more time. Let's do it. Good. All right, last one. Rotate. Drop the hand outside leg. All right, nice work, guys. Okay, all right. Whew. Okay. And now let's go ahead and let's gonna do one more, okay, exercise. Just wanna do some swimmers, get the shoulders, rotated cuff warmed up. So we're just gonna reach, all right, and then, so palms up, okay, and then you're just gonna reach behind you. So you're gonna rotate those hands, all right, palms up towards the sling behind you, and then bring it back, okay? And then I'll switch hands as you bring it back, all right? Just get 2 more on each side. All right, last one right here. Nice job. Okay. Whew. Okay. So we have 3 different blocks. The first 2 blocks are going to be our strength exercises. The last block is going to be more of our core conditioning type of thing we're going to do at the end, okay? First block is going to be a multi-movement workout. So we're going to be working with 2 muscle groups at the same time. All right, just so you know, get our metabolic rate a little bit higher, all right, burn a little bit more calories, and then combine 2 different exercises, all right, as one. So the first thing we're gonna do is a squat to press, okay, so we're gonna grab your dumbbells, all right, and then from here, we're gonna start off with dumbbell up towards around the shoulders. We're gonna squat, drive the hips, arms up, and then reset, okay, pause here at the shoulders. So again, squat, drive, reset, squat, drive, reset, okay? We're gonna go ahead and do those for 40 seconds, take a 20-second break, and then we're gonna move on to the next exercise, which is gonna be a single leg RDL with a 1-arm row. So, okay, this is what we're gonna do, all right? Dumbbell on my left hand. I'm gonna stab my left toe, all right, behind me. All right, from there, I'm going to lift my leg off that ground. I'm going to drop my chest closer to my knee as much as possible. I'm going to draw, all right, my shoulder blades back so my back is nice and straight, chest out. And from there, I'm just going to drive and pull my left wrist towards the bottom of my left rib cage. So I'm pulling towards that left hip, as you can see. All right, now, if that's too difficult, I have a couch over here that I can kind of just hold on to for balance. So you have a wall, a chair, feel free to use that. And also I'm going to show you, right, while we're working out on the top of the corner modification where you're just going to keep that leg onto that ground for a modification, okay? But we want to make sure we're not rounded, shoulders back, chest out, and we're going to pull, all right? So those are the exercises for block 1, okay? Again, we're going 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 3 rounds, all right? Okay, let's go ahead and get ready. Let's do it. All right, we got 10 seconds. Let's get ready. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's squat. Squat and drive and pause, right? Squat, drive and pause. Squat, drive and pause. Good. As you're driving up, all right, as you're coming up, you're going to drive those arms right up. So those legs are crucial for you to drive those arms up. So when you get tired, you really need those legs to help you push those arms up towards the ceiling. 8 seconds. One more. And relax. Nice job. All right. Single arm RDL. Yeah. Lower body push, upper body push. This is going to be lower body pull, upper body pull. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Lift the left leg off the ground, chest towards that knee if possible. So we're working on that front leg. We're working on the hamstrings, right? Hamstrings glutes, low back, upper back with a row. So a lot of moving pieces in this position. 10 seconds. And relax. Nice job. Oh, I felt those in the glutes. Okay. Opposite. Take a break. Here we go. So we only got these 2 exercises for this block. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm going to hold on just because I want to make sure my quality movement is great. Right? Quality is better than quantity. Pulling that wrist towards your hip, right? So shoulders down away from the ears. Let's pull. 15 seconds. And relax. Oh, round 2. Man. Starting round 2. Squat to press. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Drive. Inhale down. Exhale out. Ten seconds. One more. Relax. Oh boy, good job. Alright. Leg RDL. All right, 5 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shoulders away from the ears. Back nice and straight. Superhero chest, so chest out. Halfway. And relax. It burns, y'all. It definitely burns. All right, 10 seconds. There we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. There's that balance. It's always good to have a wall or something to hold on to, just in case. Ten seconds. Relax. Oh. All right. We got one more round of these squat and press. Here we go. We're starting. 5 seconds. 3, 2, let's go. 10 seconds. One more. And relax. Oh boy, okay. Last one of these. Whew. All right. 10 seconds. Ready? Set. Let's pull. Chest down towards that knee. I'm making sure my hips are square, so if our hips is rotated to that ceiling or sky, all right, turn those hips towards the floor as much as possible. 10 seconds. And relax. All right, we're going opposite. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pull. Bottom of the ribs to the hips. Eight seconds. And relax. Oh. Alright, guys. That's it. 3 rounds done. I want you guys to take a 1-minute break. And I'll move on to that second block. Alright, ready? Alright, take a break. All right, 1-minute break is done. Let's go on to the second block. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. It's the same thing. It's going to be 40 seconds of work, 20-second break. All right, for 3 rounds. And we have 2 exercises that we're going to do. Same thing. All right, multi-muscle type of exercise where we're going to combine 2 different muscle groups at the same time. This one's going to be lower, upper push, lower pull. So a single leg bridge, 1 arm chest press. So from here, all right, dumbbell on my left hand, okay, and I'm going to extend my left leg off that ground, drive the hips up, and then from here I'm just going to drop and then push. Okay, drop the elbow and push while pushing through my midfoot to heel on that right leg for a hamstring. Okay, workout, then chest. So we'll go ahead and do 40 on that left arm, 40 in the right arm. All right, for the upper push, lower pull. Next, by the way, it's going to be a plank. All right, dumbbell pull through. So it's just going to be a core stability exercise with a pull, upper body pull exercise. So I'm going to make sure. Well, let me get into my plank position. So feet nice and wide, okay? Shoulders over my wrist. And then from there, okay, I'm gonna face you real quick. I want to make sure my dumbbell is on the outside of my arms. From there, I'm gonna go across my body and just pull across, and then pull. All right, for a plank, pull, making sure my hips don't drop. Keep the hips nice and straight. All right, from my neck down to my heels, you want to make sure strong as steel. Okay, let's go ahead and get on with these workouts. All right, you guys ready? Let's do it. All right, 10 seconds, and we're going. All right, on my back. All right, left leg out. Ready? Hips up, let's go. So making sure my elbows touch that ground each time I drop my arm. All right, I want to make sure I'm dropping my elbow towards my bottom of the rib cage as well. So my shoulders away from my ears halfway. Ooh, hamstring working, right? 10 seconds. And relax. Oh, let's go opposite. This up here. All right. Opposite leg, opposite arm. 10 seconds. And we go. All right, ready? And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right leg up. Pushing off my left mid to back heel. And try to make sure my hips are extended. And I might be doing a poor job. I'm trying to lead by example right here. Get 15 seconds. 5 seconds. And relax. Those are tough. Those are tough. All right. Let's do our plank pull throughs. All right. I should have got my timer here. All right. Feet nice and wide. And then we're going to pull opposite hand across the body. Ready? Let's go. 10 seconds. One more. Relax. Boy, oh boy, okay. Single leg. Let's do it. All right. Dumbbell your left hand. Ready? Set. Let's go. Uh, 15 seconds. Not easy, huh? Modification on that screen. All right, if you need it. And relax. Oh, man. Whew. Opposite. 10 seconds. Ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ooh, sorry, wrong leg. Now, you're probably wondering why I have my left fist up towards the ceiling. I'm just trying to create more tension, right? Create more tension. So go ahead and make that fist up towards the ceiling. 8 seconds. And relax. Oh, man. That was a poor example of a single leg bridge right there. All right. Let's pull. Plank pull. Ready? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yeah. 20 seconds. And relax. Oh my God, all right, last one. Last round. Oh boy, okay. 10 seconds. Here we go. Dumbbell in the left hand. Right leg down, ready? Let's push. Lower pull. Upper push. Working through movements. Right? Now if that's difficult, you can bend your leg to make it a little bit easier, right? So if you get tired, bend that leg. If not, extend and work. Last one. Relax. Opposite. All right. Shout out to my sister-in-law for my cool socks. She's an electrical engineer. She got me some cool engineering socks. All right, right leg down, left leg up. Left leg down, right leg up. Let's go. 15 seconds. One more. And relax. Oh, yeah. Okay. Plank pull through to finish it out. Oh, man. Okay, we got this. Let's go. Ready? Let's pull. My hips are silent. Hips are not moving. Head to heel. Strong as steel. Whew. 10 seconds. One more. Relax. Oh man, guys. 3 rounds. Done. All right, we're gonna finish it off with some core to finish it out. All right, so take a minute break. Meet me back, okay? Nice job. All right, guys, we're back. Minute break is done. All right, now we have a conditioning or a core workout, right? I'm sorry, core workout. And it's going to be two exercises. All right, we're going to do Tabata type workout where we're going to work for 20, take a 10-second break, and we're going to go ahead and do it for 8 rounds. So we're going to alternate these two exercises, all right? So let me show you real quick and what we're going to be doing. So first one is an easy, real easy, slide your hand crunch. Okay, so slide your hand. What do you mean, Mark? Slide your hand, easy. I'm going to start from the ground. Hands are placed, all right? Palms are faced flat onto the ground. From there, we're just going to crunch. All right, we're going to curl ourselves up one vertebrae at a time, like a roly-poly. I'm going to slide my hands, right, and try to touch my heels. So from there, I'm going to slide, touch the heels right back down. All right, slide, touch the heels right back down. Now, obviously, the closer my heels are to my body, I'm not coming up. I don't have to come up at all, right? Because I have long arms. I can reach, make it harder, right? Get those feet out in front of you, and then really work and slide, and right back up. I don't want to be up here. I'm not trying to do a whole full sit-up. Okay, I just want to make sure I come up with the crunch and right back down. So sliding up, and then I'm gonna start rolling up, rolling back down. All right. Exercise 2. All right, we're just gonna do rotational exercise, which is gonna be a dumbbell twist. All right, so nothing too crazy there. From there, let me go here for a quick second. So posture, shoulder blades back. All right, chin away from the neck. Okay, from there, grab my dumbbell. I'm gonna reach behind that hip, rotate opposite, maintaining a nice straight back. I don't want to round my shoulders. I want superhero chest. I'm just gonna twist to the hip, outside hip. Want to make it harder? Feet up, heels down. All right, to modify it. Okay, and then if the weight is too hard, let's go body weight. Okay, those are 2 options. All right, so let's go ahead and get ready. So 10 seconds is about to begin. All right, so here we go. On our back, slide your hands. Ready? Up in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Slide your hands, crunch right back down. Inhale, exhale. Always inhaling in, exhaling to come up. 5 seconds, real quick. And relax. Nice job. All right. Dumbbell or med ball. If you have a medicine ball, great. If not, dumbbell works. Ready? Feet up. Let's go. Chest back. Get to that ground. And then swing that dumbbell across the body. All right. Move with intent. All right. Be intentional when you're moving. Don't just do it to move. Move with intention. And relax. All right. Round 2. All right. 10-second break so they come quick. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Slide back down. 10 seconds. And relax. Okay. Rotational. Let's get into that rotation. Ready? Set. Let's go. Shoulders back, chest out. And then swing. Swing that dumbbell across your body. And relax. All right, now if your low back hurts, right, pull that chest pull your knees into your chest for a low back stretch. Ready? Let's go. So you're obviously gonna feel it in the low back when we're doing those rotational workout, because low back is gonna be involved a little bit. 5 seconds. and relax. Oh yeah. All right, ready? Man, these breaks are too quick. Set. Let's go. Whew. 5 seconds. And relax. Last round. Round 7, round 8 coming up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Slide. Come on. Crunch. Get off that ground if you can. One more. Oh, man. Relax. Wow. Okay. Finish it out right here. And then we'll stretch it out. Call it a day. Ready? Let's go. And relax. Oh, man. Guys, we did it. We did it. Stay on that floor. Let's just cool it down, stretch it out. I'm getting bitten out here by bugs. All right. Let's go ahead and grab our knees and pull to our chest, our low back that you just felt from those rotation and crunches. From there, extend your left leg out, making sure my hips are pointed up towards the ceiling. Pull that right knee towards our right shoulder. Ooh, good work, guys. Another total body engine workout. Switch it up. Good. Butterfly stretches. Stay right here. Feet together. All right. Push your hand on top of those knees to add some weight. So what's great about these workouts, they're short, they're quick. So I know a lot of people here have families they need to get back to. It might be a lunch break. So these quick 30-minute workouts are great just because we hit all the muscle groups that we need to. So it's a great job for doing it today. All right, guys. So from there, if I have some room, scoop a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take a deep breath in, and I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna exhale my mouth and reach for my toes. Ready? Reach for those toes. And if you can't reach your toes, feel free to hold on to your shins or your ankles, and let's hold here for about 10 more seconds. Get those hamstrings. Good. Let's get one more. Let's get those quads and those hip flexors real quick. All right. From there, what I want to do is take a knee. I'm just going to take a step forward, drive my hips forward. Let me face you. Okay. Drive the hips forward so you feel that stretch hip flexor. And then quad muscle. All right. Now let's go ahead and just extend that stretch. So extend the right arm up to the ceiling, and then it's going to drop towards your left. So now we're just going to enhance that stretch. So now we get more of our lats, and then now we get more of that hip flexor. And relax, switch it up. All right. Hips forward, boom. All right, not our body. Hips forward, feel that stretch in that hip flexor. Left arm up. Drop to your right like a teapot. And relax. All right. Hey guys, we did it. Thank you again for joining me. All right. Feel free to keep recommending my workouts to your friends, family, coworkers, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you again for the next one. Have a great one.